What's good, everybody? It's Rob back with another video. I have here a case for the Nokia 9 Pureview from Ouba. Now this is an air hybrid slim type fit case. They do come in a crystal clear one and a black trim. This is a protected TPU bumper case for the Nokia 9. So it does, let's open it up and check out the phone itself. Have a real tight sealed on here. But this particular case has the clear back on the back to show off the original beauty of the Nokia 9. Does have some stickers you have to peel off right here. I don't understand these type of stickers, but here it is. Now let's get it on there. There's nothing really special on the inside as far as corner protection in this particular case. It does have some tape, plastic here on the inside, but I'm going to get that a little later. Just want to check it out. This is really nice. It does add to the look of the case. It does have individual cutouts, and the cameras are recessed, so there's no not too much of a chance of damaging the cameras laying them down. It does have lip protection, which is on point, and all the ports and cutouts are ample and wide and open. The power buttons are a little, no texture to it, but it is raised from the case. This particular case costs $8.99. If you're interested in it, I'll leave all the links and everything to it down below. Let's check out the buttons. Volume, it's nice. It is a little stiff, but it gets the job done. And again, it does have very nice lip protection for it. Lay down protection. It'll probably shine a little more if I got that tape off of it. Let me see if I can get it off for you to help with the appearance. 1 second. All right, I'm back. I done peeled all the plastic off of it, so you can see if there's anything like any rainbow, and there is a little bit of rainbow effect right there, but mark there. Let me take it out and see if I can, I'm gonna wipe it down for effects and see if that's still there real quick. And wipe down the phone. Make sure there's no perspiration or anything of it on it. Let's try it again and see if we still got that rainbow effect. Okay, now it's not there. So it could have been a little liquid or something that was on the phone that I didn't see. But that actual rainbow is not there anymore. So again, this case is $8.99. I will leave all the links and everything down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll catch everybody in the next video.